Hi my loves, I am back today to do a little get ready with me and outfit of the evening because I'm going out for a nice dinner tonight, and I thought why not film me putting on some makeup, have a little catch up. Now I'm back in the UK, if you've been on my Instagram and actually on here because I did the villa tour for you guys, but you'll know I've been in Portugal and then Corfu. Anyway, I'm going to get started with my bareMinerals base as always. I want to talk to you a little bit about the original foundation today, which I am now. Now I'm a bit more tanned, a shade golden tan 20. I think I'm usually hovering at about 6 as opposed to 20. So I'm quite pleased with myself, but I need to match my face to my body as well. So it is a little bit darker than my actual skin tone. I'm going to put on my Complexion Rescue first, just because I love using the two products together. You can of course use either of them by themselves, but I just love them together. I think they look so nice. I'm going to start with my original foundation now. I absolutely love this product. It is the perfect summer foundation. I've been using it all summer. Got a little bit of product just in the lid here, and I'm going to swirl around my brush, tap off the excess, and then start buffing that in. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It's kind of buildable coverage, but it feels so clean and light on the skin. The formula is so simple, it's going to be good for the skin. But yeah, for a mineral foundation as well, it still has quite a luminous glowy finish, but just if you can see that, it's just got that, it just lets a little bit of shine come through, and it's obviously important to me because that's the kind of finish that I love. I also think because I am obviously using a slightly darker colour at the moment than my face, it's one of the nicest ways to kind of add a little bit of colour, just because I think it's not harsh and it's really blendable. It does it in a really kind of subtle way as opposed to maybe some liquid foundations would. But yeah, absolute hero product of the summer. I'd highly recommend it to you guys, and I will leave links down below. I haven't really got a concealer in my current face colour, by the way, you guys, so please forgive me if I'm looking a little bit weird whilst I do this next step. Yeah, today I'm going to do a kind of monochrome 90s-ish look, so we'll see how that turns out. I don't often do kind of browny lips. Now I've concealed, I'm actually going to go in again with my foundation, with the original foundation, just to set all of that concealer. But yeah, you can layer up. I always layer up my cream products with this foundation, and I've never had any problems with it kind of not settling right. Sorry about the light, by the way, you guys. It's probably gonna switch up on me a little bit. As I said, I'm going out for dinner. We're going to Endo, which is a newish Japanese restaurant here in London. It's kind of like a belated-ish birthday dinner because it's actually the restaurant we wanted to go to for my birthday, but unfortunately it was all booked up. We didn't book it in time, so we're going now like 6 weeks late. But yeah, I'm so excited. I love Japanese food, it's my absolute favourite. And if you're interested, I'm probably going to do a write-up on my blog. It probably won't be up yet, but it will be up at some point. I think I'm going to move on with the eyes now and then come back to the skin at the end. I'm going to use one of my all-time favourite bareMinerals products. I'm using the bareMinerals Gen Nude eyeshadow and primer in Basic, which is a nice brown colour, and it's going to give us a nice base for this kind of browny matte eye that I'm going to do. And it's so quick to apply as well, which I love. So yeah, got back from Corfu a few days ago, and Zach and I are actually going to Edinburgh in 2 days as well, to the festival for a few days, which I'm so excited for. I absolutely love the Edinburgh Festival. I think I only went once when I was actually at uni there, because obviously we spent so much time there in the year. I'm going to use a cool brown shade, and I haven't been to Edinburgh since November, I think, of last year, so it's probably the longest time I haven't been since whenever I went to uni there. So I'm so excited to go and see some amazing shows, spend some time with my friend who's up there, Kath. But yeah, Corfu was lovely. I did recover from my sinus infection in the end after some antibiotics, and I got a lot of reading done, which is great. Which, speaking of, I am like 8 months into the book ban now, and it's beginning to hurt my soul, and I'm desperate to buy new books, but I'm holding out. I'm being good. I have so many books still on my shelves to go though. I think I'm probably going to be going did a few calculations the other day, and I think I'm probably not going to be able to buy any books if I continue with this task that I've set myself of reading all my unread ones. I'm probably not going to be able to buy any new books until like March next year, which feels like so long away. I'm just going to curl my lashes quickly. I'm going to leave the eyes really simple. I want it to be kind of like quite a simple chic look. But yeah, I think it's because the Man Booker long list has obviously been announced, and I'm like desperate to take part and read the books with everyone. I'm definitely going to buy probably quite a lot of the long list when I can in March, and I'll definitely be taking part next year. I know I've had a couple of questions about whether I'm going to be reviewing the Man Booker long list this year, but unfortunately I cannot. I'm not going to put too much on my lower lashes, but I'm just going to touch the brush to them so they kind of look naturally dark. I'm going to do my brows with soap brows, as always. House-wise, I know you guys must want updates on the house. We have officially scheduled a proper kind of second meeting with our architect, which is super exciting, and I think that's tomorrow. Hopefully start discussing some real plans, although the build, like I said before, will probably not begin for quite some time. We are going to get some people in just to start ripping stuff out, basically, because I think Zach and I both really want to see some change in the house, just because it's kind of sad as it is to let it kind of just sit there. So we're going to just get someone to come in, do the carpets, do the wallpaper, because it's got a lot of rather grimy textured wallpaper going on. Get a skip going and just fill it with stuff, basically. I put on my Instagram stories the other day that our garden, with all the rain, kind of combination of rain and sun here in the UK whilst we've been gone, is just absolutely covered in new weeds. So I don't know whether, I mean obviously we're going to change everything anyway, but I don't know whether we need to be keeping that in check. I don't know. So I don't know whether to get someone in to come and kind of do that, or whether I should just get some gardening gloves on and just start pulling weeds up. While I am waiting for my brows to dry, I'm going to use my favourite bronzer from bareMinerals. You guys have seen me use this countless times. I'm currently liking a slightly bigger brush. I go back and forth. But yeah, so hopefully there will be stuff to film soon, because we're just going to get people in just to start, yeah, like I said, ripping up the carpet, sanding the floors. So yeah, as soon as there's anything to film, trust me, I will show you guys. Just going in with a smaller brush around here so I don't disturb my brows too much. And I like to go kind of right up against the eye and almost kind of blend it with my eyeshadow. I've got a blemish there though, which obviously is popping out again, so we're going to go over that in a minute. I'm actually going to put a little bit of bronzer back on the back of my hand so that I can mix my concealer colour. Now I'm going to use my Giddy Pink loose blush by bareMinerals as well, another one of my absolute faves. It's got a little bit of shimmer in this one, and it's just going to add that extra bit of flush. Oh, I'm getting hungry, you guys. Dinner's super early, that's why I'm in a bit of a rush, because it's at 6, which is, I imagine, the only booking we could get. Just adding a few extra strokes into the ends of my brows. Not going to do any highlighter, because as you can see, that kind of combination of products is making me look glowy anyway. Lips wise, I've got like a million options here, because I didn't know quite how the eyes would turn out. I think we're going to go with a couple of products. I'm going to start with Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Trendsetter. Obviously I've gone over them significantly. Don't judge me. Now I'm going to use the bareMinerals Long Wear Lipstick in Cinnamon, which is going to add like a touch of pink. It's still got a fair amount of brown in it, this colour, but I think it's going going to complement it nicely. And because I just can't live without them, I'm going to do a smattering of freckles, not as many as usual, partially because I'm really running out of my freck. I've actually got some real ones on my nose for once. And that is it, my loves. Just a super simple kind of monochrome-y 90s summer evening makeup. I think I'm going to leave my hair kind of as is. But yes, I'm going to go and put my shoes on, put my rings on, jewellery and stuff, and then I will show you my outfit and then we're ready to go. So my loves, excuse the informal setup, but this is this evening's outfit. It's kind of got that bubble shape, which I'm pretty sure is going to be a little bit unpopular with some of you. It usually is. But I tried these trousers on, which I got from the Reformation vintage shop in New York last time I was there. I tried them on with like a white crop top, which gave me a little bit more shape, but it just wasn't as chic, if you guys know what I mean. So I decided to pair them with this Nike tee, this yellow Nike tee, and my black Saint Laurent sandals, velvet sandals. And yeah, I really like it. And then I've got my classic Chanel on as well. So that is this evening's outfit. I'm sure I will have posted it on Instagram as well. So that is it. I put my hair up again, as you can see by the way, because I just thought it looked a bit better. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Almost forgot to mention my new sunnies from Celine. These are my final additions to my look, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!